we are staying at this room, and this is what your overview as soon as you walk in. So you have your dining over here, 4-seater, and then they got the window, which is that one is right the whole way to come up here. And then you have that Dolly Parton photo frame, and then your telephone, and that's the main door. And you have a door right to your right side as soon as you walk in, and that is where your iron board and trash can and that iron. So as you walk in to your right, it will be your kitchen. It's quite small. Your sink, dishwasher. We did use the oven, the stove, that's why it's quite dirty. And then we have your microwave, which is we use a lot, and we do have your full fridge, and we did use that one since this is more like a room tour / review. Dishwasher, it actually leaked out because my husband accidentally put a lot of soap, so he has to stand there and scoop it to put it in the sink because it was really leaking and it's so much bubble on the floor. But anyway, let's move on. This is the living room, and you have your couches, the coffee table, and then you have the fireplace. We didn't use it, but we do sat in here and watch the movie. Actually prepared to watch the movie inside the bedroom just because it's more comfy and more cozy, because my husband can only add his laptop on the TV screen on the bedroom, so that's why we only use here once. And then this door right here is going to the outside, but we're gonna show you after we show you the whole room. So this is your overview of the room. So it's quite nice, but it's not what I expected, because I guess I was more expecting the model when we did they were showing us the timeshare. I was more expecting like the same vibe, but this one is okay. It's not exact the same in terms of interior of design and decor from the display or the model that they will show you during the timeshare. And let's move on here. This is a 1-bedroom unit. I say it a unit because that's what they call it. The bed is actually comfy. We sleep like a baby, and I don't remember waking up in the middle of the night because of how uncomfortable the bed. We pretty much go to bed and snooze and deep sleep throughout the night, so it's a 5-star for the bed. And then one of the lamp doesn't have the bulb. I believe that one right there doesn't have the bulb, so we use only this one right here. And both sides have a nightstand table. And then also this one right here, the ceiling fan does not work, so I just want to mention that. And here's the TV. You have your study desk or your computer desk, whatever you call it, but we hang our clothes there and bags. And then my husband have the laptop on that side, and then he had something to connect his laptop to the TV. So most of the time we just stay here, watch the movie, and yeah, that's what we do. This closet right here is super small. I didn't even use it, so what I've done, I take out some of the blanket because it gets really hot in here while we're sleeping. The blanket is just too much, so I took out a lot of the blankets. We only left this one right here, and I did bring a blanket with me, like a I think it's plush, like those soft really soft blanket. That's what I brought with me from home. And so I have this big laundry basket that I brought with me, so I just put it inside, and we didn't really use this one right here. You have the extra blanket and the pillow, so as mentioned, it's quite small, so we don't use it. And then let's move on to the bathroom area. So this is the bathroom area where I am fixing to leave, and we're about to actually leave and check out and head home because I have class tomorrow. But I just want to show you something different instead of showing you before like right we usually when I do a room tour, I show you right before we even settle in, like we bring our luggage and then I will show you the room tour. But this time I thought I'll do different, that way I can tell you which one I don't like or which one I like in terms of the room and the punctuality of the hotels, the room. So maybe I'll start doing that. This is the bathroom. You got 2 sinks and then your shower right here. So when we were shown the model of the timeshare, it's really nice, it's brand new, it's luxurious, you know what I mean? But when I came here, it's not like, I wouldn't want to use that tub, you know what I mean? Like I wouldn't want to use a bubble tub here. I mean, so that's probably a downside of this room. It's not what I expected. I even bring a bubble bath soap with me. But anyway, what I love about this shower is the pressure of the water is very strong. So that's a plus, because a lot of hotels or resort, the pressure of the water is super low and it will take longer to take shower, and I get annoyed by that. So this one is amazing. You have no problem with the how strong or the pressure of the water, you know what I mean? You can actually take shower faster. So to your right here is your toilet. So what's nice about it is, because this is a king bed, but the sofa in the living room, it can be transformed into a sofa bed. So if you have 4 people with you, like you have a wife and husband or another couple or kids, it is nice that you have that sliding door so you can share the bathroom and you have privacy. You can lock it right here. And since it was just me and my husband, we didn't really need that. But anyway, I thought it was nice. And this is the toilet. It's quite small, but it's okay. It's your typical small toilet area. So this door right here, it just pretty much connect to the living room and the kitchen. So you can walk in from the bedroom, or you can walk in here. Like I mentioned, this can be a bed, the sofa bed. So you can share the bathroom and you have the sliding door to share with another couple or your children. Let's go, I'll show you real quick the outside. It's quite dark now, but actually this phone is very nice. It shows way brighter than what it is. So you have the table and 3 chairs. And then this one, it's locked. You can't open that. So it's either you can come out from the living room or you can come out from the bedroom. And there's the other chair. So I like the back porch. It's quite spacious, a lot of room. But it's quite chilly. It started to get cold, so I wasn't really able to enjoy it. But that is the room. That's my review for the room tour.
Meanwhile,
the top of the resort, this is what you are going to see, overlooking the Gatlinburg strip, and it's really nice view. It gives you that cabin vibe. Despite of the bathtub disappointment and the unexpected similar to the interior or the design with the model, however, my husband and I enjoyed our stay because the location is really nice. The staff is very accommodating and friendly. And they have multiple swimming pool, outdoor and indoor. So we did enjoy swimming in the indoor pool. And we didn't sign up for timeshare because it's not wise investment.